Hello, my name is Shubham Sahu, and I have built the major project which is titled as Project Management Tool, which I have built on the guidance of Saurabh Verma sir. So let's begin with the presentation. Here is the overview of the presentation. So the main objective of this project is to build a platform ad, where an institute can manage their projects and uh, handle its task and assign it to users, and all this will be in a real-time based update. So uh, by the help of this tool, any institute can easily manage their project, and uh, they will have high team collaboration and uh, efficiency in completing the projects quickly, and it will also increase the collaboration between the teammates. This project is real time based, so that like an admin adds a project in the dashboard and then assign task to the employees, the task will be updated on employee panel on the real time. So it will increase the efficiency, and also it will increase the team collaboration as well. So project management tool is system to organize and monitor project in real time with features like task assignment, deadlines, analytics. So whenever the admin will assign project and its task to the employees, he can also assign the deadline, like date or a timeline to complete this task. These are the key features of the project: task customization, real-time updates, role-based access control, data visualization, responsive design, error-free data storage. These are the technology stacks that I have used. In the front end, I have used React.js, and some of the libraries that I have used are Tailwind CSS, AG Grid, and AG Charts, React Query. And in backend, I have used Node.js, Express.js, and Socket.io for real-time based update to implement WebSocket, and JWT authentication and Bcrypt for hashing and authentication, and role-based access management. Database that I have used is PostgreSQL, and the library for it that I have used is PG library. Deployment is on the GitHub using version control. Comparison with existing solution. So right now most of the companies manage their projects on Google Sheet or in Excel sheets, so there is no real time based update on that. Like uh, if multiple people have access of that sheet, they might need to refresh to see recently added projects, and there is no role based access and data visualization, task customization, and there is no collaboration on that. So our project management tool caters all these e- errors and make our project more efficient for the industry. Here are the data flow. Here is the data flow diagram. Here is the database description. This is the ER diagram of our project. This is the use case diagram. This is how our dashboard will look like. There is a all the, you can see all the projects listed and tasks. We can add tasks, and duration is also there, so we can also update status of the task that we are going to assign. So we can also add task based on the project. So here, this is the application of our project. We can corporates can use it, freelancers can use it, educational institute can use it. So uh, the project management tool offers real-time updates, robust data visualization, secure role-based access, enhances to collaboration of teammates, ensures transparency in task tracking. So this is the conclusion of our project, and in future enhancement, we can also do AI integration uh, for analytics, and we can also introduce mobile application to for convenience of the teammates and employees. So thank you very much. This is our presentation for the project project management tool.